Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your food delivery with Postmates step by step clearly. Open the Postmates app on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to set up your profile with accurate delivery information. Browse the homepage to explore local restaurants and grocery options. Use the search bar to find specific cuisines or dishes that interest you. Check for any ongoing promotions or discounts at the top of the page. Select a restaurant that catches your eye. Browse the menu to see available dishes. Make your selections by tapping on the items you want. Customize your order if options are available, like adding extra toppings or special instructions. Once you're satisfied with your selections, tap on Add to Cart. Review your cart to ensure everything is correct. If you want to add more items, simply return to the menu. When you're ready to check out, tap on Checkout. Select your payment method, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or another option. Review the delivery address and make any necessary changes. Decide if you want to tip your delivery driver in advance. Confirm your order by tapping on Place Order. Track your order's progress in real time through the app. Prepare for your delicious meal to arrive at your doorstep. Once your food arrives, enjoy your upgraded dining experience from the comfort of your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.